Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Word document and locating the chart you want removed. Click once on the chart area to select the whole object. You'll see resize handles appear. If the chart is embedded in a text box or header, switch to Print Layout View so selection is precise. Once selected, note whether it's linked to Excel. That determines delete behavior. Make sure you save a copy before changes if you may need the data later. With the chart selected, you have two main options, delete or unlink. Press delete to remove an embedded chart instantly. This clears the object and preserves surrounding text flow. If it's a linked chart, right-click, choose Linked Worksheet Object, then Links to break or update links first. Unlinking prevents automatic reappearance. Once done, use Cut to move the graphic elsewhere, or Clear to remove formatting while keeping a placeholder. Make sure to review nearby text for reflow changes. After removal, scan the document for spacing shifts and reapply paragraph styles if needed. That keeps layout consistent. If you deleted the wrong object, press Ctrl+Z immediately to undo or restore your saved copy. If the chart reappears later, inspect Word's links dialog and the Excel source file. A persistent link can recreate the graphic when reopened. When problems persist, save, close both files, then reopen Word only. That often clears cached link behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.